Great, my good people. Welcome to RCM Online College. Our number is 0719525000. We offer courses like CPA, ACCA, Advanced Excel, and Data Analytics. So my friend, this is a purely virtual institution whereby our studies are done virtually. We don't need physical classes. So today we want to learn how to add zero to numbers. We want to add zero before the numbers. For example, if we try to write 05 here, you will find that it is only 5 that is appearing, but 0 disappears. So how can we retain that 0 in our 5? So you come here, our shortcut is equal to, activate your cell, say text, click your tab button, value is the number to your left-hand side, comma, quotation marks, open the quotes, then have your 3 zeros. Close the quotes, and then you close your bracket. It means we want these numbers to be in 3 digits. So where they are less than 3 digits, then we expect 0 to start. And that is how we do this. So for more information or to learn on how to do the shortcuts, please join our institution, that is RCM Online College, or contact us via 0719525000. Great. Thank you for your time, and we are looking forward to meeting you once you join our institution for these online classes.